In other news that's coming in, the probe into the Karnataka drug racket has now gathered more steam. The Central Crime Branch of Bengaluru has taken a Sandalwood actor Ragini Dwivedi to the NCP office after conducting raids at her residence. In fact, she's the first actor to be questioned in this massive drugs racket that was earlier busted by the NCB and the CCB in Karnataka. Remember, the actor had skipped the questioning by the CCB yesterday. Ragini is the first actor to be summoned in connection with the probe, which has created quite a stir in the Karnataka film industry. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Ebale, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Neha, with regards to the questioning that is going to take place of Ragini, now that she's been summoned by the CCB, tell us about the line of questioning and the connections that have been established, because she's the first actor, the Kannada actor who has been summoned in this massive drug racket in Karnataka. Tell us about the process that is going to be followed and other names that are emerging in this racket.
Absolutely, Apurva. First of all, let's understand that the line of questioning is going to be very straightforward over here with, Ragini's very close friend Ravi Shankar, who was actually arrested last evening. Ravi Shankar has close links with many drug peddlers. He was not only responsible for being a close associate of many drug peddlers, but he himself had procured several drugs and also further supplied it. Now, let's understand, Apurva, that right now at the Central Crime Branch where we are, Ragini Dwivedi is currently being grilled by the CCB officials. To give you an understanding, what we now know of this entire case is that the police will be questioning Ragini on the lines of, her associations with Ravi Shankar and whether she was also involved in a larger racket of procuring and supplying drugs as well. And more importantly, what role did she have to play in this entire network? So, first of all, let's take you back to a couple of days, nearly about 10 days ago, when the NCB or the Narcotics Control Bureau had actually raided several places. They had made 3 arrests, and the arrest of one person by name Anika over here, gave a link to the police, because Anika, of course, had several, again, associations with prominent persons in the film industry, is what we understand. So now that the police have, of course, taken in Ragini Dwivedi into questioning or for questioning, we'll have to wait and see what comes out of this entire racket and whether her involvement in this is larger or whether it was only her associates. That's one. Secondly, also what we are looking at, Purva, is that some more actors right now may be summoned. We understand that Rahul, a person by name Rahul, who happens to be a good friend of, the actress Sanjana Galrani, also may be, of course, Sanjana Galrani may also be summoned, is what we're picking up from our sources right now. But as of now, it is only Ragini Dwivedi who has been summoned for questioning.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of the news. Keep watching Mirror now for more news and updates.